is going to be number 14. This is Devon Conway, a New Zealand batter. Opening bid of 2 crore, please. At 2 crore, do I have any opening bids for Devon Conway? Any bids coming in at all? Thank you, Chennai Super Kings. You've come in at 2 crore. At 2 crore, we have here. At 2 crore now, straight up front at 2. Anybody else coming in ahead of them? At 280. 3 crore, say Punjab. Would you like one more here? Indeed you would. 4 crore comes back to Chennai. Are the Kings coming back? Indeed, 420 for Punjab. 440 for the Super Kings at 440. 460, say Punjab. 480, say Chennai. 525. 550, Punjab Kings. 575, CSK. 6 crore, say Punjab. 625, say Chennai. At 6 crore and 25 lakh now, at 6 crore 25, all done, all through, going once, going twice, last chance, and selling to Chennai at 6 crore and 25 lakh. Yours at 625. Thank you so much. Devon Conway goes to Chennai Super Kings. Our next player up is number 25. This is Rachin Ravindra, the New Zealand all-rounder. And can be open here at 1 crore 50, please, for Rachin Ravindra at 1 crore and 50 lakh. Do we have any bids coming in at 1 crore 50? At 1 crore 50, any teams coming in at all? Opening bid at 1 crore and 50 lakh. Any paddles going up at all? At 1 crore and 50 lakh. All done? At 1 crore, thank you CSK, at 1 crore 50. At 1 crore 50, 1 crore 60, Punjab comes in. At 1 crore 60, 1 crore 70 goes back to CSK. At 1 crore 70 now, CSK's bid. At 3 crore, 320 Punjab. All done. At 3 crore and 20 lakh, it is Punjab's bid. At 3 crore and 20 lakh, any other team coming in? Currently with Punjab at 3 crore and 20 lakh. Last chance if you'd like to raise a paddle. At 3 crore and 20 lakh, this is with Punjab. All done. All through then at 3 crore and 20 lakh and selling, going once, going twice, to Punjab at 3 crore 20. Sold to Punjab at 3 crore and 20 lakh. We do have an RTM option. Chennai Super Kings, would you like to execute that? Yes, indeed they would. They would at 3 crore 20. Let's see what Punjab's final bid would be. 4? 4 crore say Punjab. Chennai Super Kings, you accept that at 4? Indeed they do. Rachin Ravindra goes to the Chennai Super Kings at 4 crore. Sold to you. Thank you very much. Definitely some happy fans in the audience. Our next player up is number 18. This is Rahul Tripathi. Indian batter here. And let's open here at a base price of 75 lakh. Please, opening bid of 75 lakh for Rahul Tripathi. 320. 340. Back with Chennai at 340. Ahead of you, Kolkata. At 3 crore and 40 lakh, it's with the Chennai Super Kings. Kolkata is out. Any other team coming in? At 3 crore and 40 lakh, straight up front with the Chennai Super Kings currently. All done. And selling then. Going once, going twice, and selling for you, Chennai, at 3 crore and 40 lakh. Our next player up is number 20. This is Ravichandran Ashwin. And can we open here at an opening bid of 2 crore, please, for Ravichandran Ashwin at 2 crore. At 2 crore, do we have any teams coming in at all? At 2 crore. At 2 crore, thank you CSK. CSK comes in straight away at 2. At 2 crore, anybody else coming in ahead of Chennai? At 2 crore now, the bid is up front. Miami at 2. At 220, thank you. LSG at 220, 240. CSK 260 Lucknow, 280 Chennai, 3 crores Lucknow, 320 Chennai, 340 Lucknow, 360 Chennai, 9 crores, say the Royals, 925, say Chennai, at 925, 950, thank you Rajasthan, 975, says Chennai, all done, all through, going once, going twice, and selling to Chennai Super Kings at 9 crore and 75. And our next player up is going to be number 40. This is Noor Ahmed, also from Afghanistan. And we can open here at 2 crore, please. Opening bid of 2 crore, do I have anywhere? 2 crore, thank you Mumbai Indians. At 2 crore we have. Mumbai Indians has bid 2 crore. Anybody else coming in ahead of that? At 2 crore now for Noor Ahmed. 2 crore with the Mumbai Indians. Any other team coming in? At 2 crore, anybody else? 220 CSK it is. 240 for Mumbai Indians. 260 for CSK. 280 Mumbai Indians. 3 crore CSK. 320 Mumbai Indians. 340 CSK. 360 Mumbai Indians. 10? 10 crore is what Chennai says. Let's see if Gujarat is going to accept it. No, they do not. So the player will go to the Chennai Super Kings then at 10 crore. Noor Ahmed sold. And next player up, this is number 58. This is Vijay Shankar. Vijay Shankar coming up. And we can open here at an opening price of 30 lakh, please. 30 lakh opening bid for Vijay Shankar. For Vijay Shankar, do we have anywhere in the room? 30 lakh, thank you CSK. At 30 lakh in the center of the room now with Chennai. Anybody else coming in ahead of that? At 30 lakh, it is Chennai's bid. At 30, 35 is Gujarat. At 35, 40 is Chennai. At 40, 45 is Gujarat. 50 is Chennai. At 50 lakh now, it's with Chennai. 55 is Gujarat. 60 is Chennai. 65 is Gujarat. 70 for Chennai. 75 for Gujarat. 80 for Chennai. 85 for Gujarat. At 120 with CSK. At 1 crore 20. Any other teams coming in now? At 1 crore and 20 lakh, the bid is with the Chennai Super Kings. Any other team coming in at all? At 1 crore and 20 lakh. Fair warning then. At 1 crore 20, we will sell to the Chennai Super Kings. Going once, going twice. This is your chance to raise it if you'd like. Last chance. And selling at 1 crore 20. Chennai, it's yours at 1 crore and 20 lakh. Thank you so much. This is number 91. This is Sam Curran, the English all-rounder. Sam Curran. And we have an opening bid of 2 crore, please, for Sam Curran. Thank you so much. CSK jumps in at 2 crore. At 2 crore now, opening bid up front for Sam Curran with Chennai Super Kings. 220, say LSG. 240, thank you CSK. What is our verdict? No, they do not. The player will remain with the Chennai Super Kings at 2 crore and 40 lakh for Sam Curran. Well done.